Okay, so I have here on the practice problem, I will have it kasi meron itong tinatawag na wrench, no? So, for a given system, okay, kasi sabi natin kanina, okay, meron tayong isang resultant which is the FR at saka isa tayong merong couple. Example, ayan yung pinaka-part na yan. Okay? Ngayon, itong CR ko, pwede kong kunin yung kanyang component along the line of action nitong R. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, hahatiin ko siya sa dalawa, no? So, I will have it yung tawagin natin CT or tangential. Tapos, yung kabila niya, tawagin natin normal. Okay? So, itong composition na to, yung R mo at saka CT, okay? Ang tawag natin dito is wrench. Bakit wrench? Para siyang screwdriver pala, okay? So, mas ano nyo sa screwdriver, di ba? Yung screwdriver, for example, i-screwhan ko yan, tutulak mo yan para against ano. So, ibig sabihin, meron kang force. Yun yung force R. Yung pagtulak mo, yun yung force R. Pero habang tinutulak mo siya, di ba pinapaikot mo rin siya? Okay? So, habang pinapaikot mo siya, iyon naman yung CT na tinatawag natin. So, yung combination na yon ng pagtulak mo ng R at saka yung pag-ikot mo, ang tawag natin doon is the wrench. Okay? So, pwedeng ang pinaka-resultant is yung wrench. The problem is, meron kang composition ng C sub N. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, yung C sub N mo, okay, dapat at that point where R the R, kung ililipat natin siya, para mawala tong C sub N, ililipat natin yung R. Somewhere, hindi natin alam dito. Okay? So, meron yung R, and then meron yung CT. Okay? Hindi natin alam kung saang point yon to. Tawagin natin yung Y at saka X, no? So, iyon yung hahanapin natin para mawala itong CN. Okay? The idea is, pag nag-moment ako dito sa original position niya nung R, for example, origin, pag nag-moment ako dito, okay, nilipat ko siya, so yung moment ng R from the original to final position, it should become equal to the C sub N. Okay? So, sige, para mas maintindihan natin, so, let's have it on the problem. Oops. Tanggalin ko. Okay. So, let's have it. Sige na nga, lagi ko na nga, hindi ko na matanggal. Okay. The force coupled system consists of R equals to 250I plus 360J minus 400K Newton and a coupled vector CR 1200I plus 750J plus 560K in Newton meter. Determine the equivalent wrench and find the coordinates of the point where the axis of the wrench crosses the XY plane. Okay, so first, alamin muna natin yung pinaka-wrench. Okay? So, kukunin ko yung line of action niya nung R muna. So, paano ko makukuha yung line of action ng R? Dapat meron akong unit vector ng R. So, that is equals to the R all over yung pinaka-resultant natin. So, meron na ako niyan, that's around 250I plus 360 of J minus 400 of K. Divide ko yung pinaka-resultant niya. So, that is 250 squared plus 360 squared plus 400 squared. Okay? So, your lambda R should become equal to 250 divided by square root of 250 squared plus 360 squared plus 400 squared. Okay? 3 decimal. So, you have your 0.421 of I plus 360 plus 0.607 of J minus 400 minus 0.674 of K. Okay? So, paano natin kinukuha yung component? Parang kukunin mo lang naman yung component ng CR doon sa aking pinaka line of action, ano? So, to get for that component, so we will be having here CR, ida-dot product natin dun sa lambda R. Okay? So, yung C natin, that's 1,200 multiplied with 0.421 plus 750 multiplied by 0.607 plus 560 multiplied by negative 0.674. So, ito na yung aking, actually, this is already your CT value. Okay? Yan yung component na niya doon sa pinaka-R. 1,200 times 0.421 plus 750 times 0.607 plus 560 times negative 0.674. So, you will be having here 583.01 Newton meter. Okay, kaya lang, yan yung scalar value, no? So, para makuha natin yung pinaka-CT value niya, so, iaano natin yung CT, and then, dun tayo sa lambda R. Okay? So, this one, i-multiply ko by 0.421. So, times 0.421. So, you will be having here 245.45 of J of I. Okay, and then plus 0.607. 0.607 naman. So, you will be having here plus 353.89 of J. And then minus 392.95 of K. So, meron ka ng CT. Okay? So, ito na yon yung R at saka CT that comprises ng wrench mo. Okay? Kaya lang, hindi natin alam kasi ililipat natin siya. Bakit? Meron ka pang C sub N, di ba? So, normal and tangential. So, it would become CR. Ima-minus natin ng CT. Okay? So, yung CR ko, ito, ima-minus ko ng CT. So, that's 1,200. Minus ko ng 245.45. And this is the I. Plus 750 minus 354.89. And this is J. Lastly, plus 560. Okay? And then, ima-minus natin. So, kaya lang minus, nagiging plus na. Ay, sorry. Okay, so 560 plus 392.85, and this is K. So, this is now your normal component. So, 1,200, 12 minus 245.45. So, that's around 954.55 of I. Plus 750 minus 354.89. So, that's plus 395.11 of J. And lastly, 560 plus 392.85. So, that is 952.85 of K. Okay? So, para mawala yung C sub N, ita-transfer ko na yung line of action ng R. So, let's say, lagay ko dito. Hindi ko sure kung nasan yun eh. Okay, tapos nandyan na rin yung yung CT mo. Okay? So, hindi ko sure kung saan yon, but tatawagin natin yung distances. Okay? Again, this distance is X, and then this distance is Y. So, ibig sabihin, ito, 0, 0, 0, and then ito is X, Y, and then 0. Okay? Ngayon, may hirapan akong kasi hindi ko sure yung direction kasi hindi na siya parallel. So, pwede na ako ditong mag-cross product. Okay? So, so we will be having here RO. Tawagin ko yung A. So, I will be having here the ROA. So, that is X minus 0. So, XI. And then plus YJ. And then plus 0K. Okay? And we will be having here moment. Okay? So, yung moment ng R. So, that is ROA. Cross product of the R. And it should become equal to your C sub N. Okay? So, ito yung working equation natin. Kasi dapat equal sila. Kaya nga natin nilipat Nilipat natin yung force R para maging equal dun sa ating C sub N. Okay? So, with this, I will be having here I. So, ang I ko dito is X. And J, this is Y. And then K equal to 0. Okay? Sa force, ano yung force ng R ko? 250. 360 negative 400. Okay, so that is 250, and then 360 x y I, and then the j. Okay, so moment, this one, so negative 400 yi. Okay, and then next ito. Okay, so you will be having plus 0j, and then this one plus 360x of k, minus, pabalikin natin, so you have this I, so 0i minus 400x of j plus 250 y of k. Okay, so simplify, negative 400y of I, 0 minus negative 400, so that is plus 400x of j. Lastly, plus, we will be having here 300 of 60x, okay, minus 250 y of k. Okay? Yan. Next, equal dapat yan kay C sub n. So, nasa yung C, i-rewrite ko na dito sa taas, I-rewrite ko sa taas for negative 400 y of I plus 400x of j plus 360x minus 250y of k. So, equal yan dun sa ating C sub n, which is 954.55 of I, and then plus 395.11 of j, and then plus 952.85 of k. Okay? So, with this, para makuha natin yung x and y component, so, ang i-equate natin is yung both x and then y. So, equate natin to, tsaka doon, so we will be having here negative 400y is equal to 954.55. So, your y is equal to negative 954.55 divided by negative 400. So, that is negative 2.39. Ano ba, meters ba tayo? Okay, meters. And then next, we have here 400. X, ito naman, equate natin dito. So, you have here 395.11. So, your x. Okay, so 395.11 divided by 400. So, that is 0.988 meters. Okay. So, this is the coordinates where your wrench will, eto, yung wrench mo na yan, eto, dun natin sa ililipat para ang maging resultant na lang natin is a wrench. R, and then a couple. CT. Pero yung CN, na-eliminate na natin siya kasi itin-transfer na natin siya dito sa point na to. Pero required siya para mangyari yon dito sa point which is 0.99 and negative 2.39 tumama. Okay? So, it means, mali, nasa kabila dapat yun, ano? Okay, pag dinrawing natin siya, dapat pala, kasi ito ang x, ito ang y, ito ang z. Okay? Eh, ang x natin is positive, somewhere here. Ayun. Okay, parang ganyan. Okay, so dito tatama yung R mo, at saka yung inyong wrench CT. Okay? So, para maging equivalent yung system natin dalawa. Okay, so that's it for a wrench system, and that's it for the equivalent force of the resultant. We are already done with the chapter 3. So, by next week, okay, get ready for the chapter 4. And then, yung midterm natin is by next year na, no? Okay, sige.